Hey, Mr. Doughton, Paul here. Just wanted to show you we are getting your hardware back on your boat. That is pretty much the final step. Of course, this has all been buffed to make to look better than brand new, and this has been chromed, and so starting to look good. We've got your exhaust in place as well, and we're gonna be putting the engine box in and making sure that we don't have to slide it back a little bit, making a final adjustment for your new that might be necessary for your new ski pole. The top of the ski pole is still off at the chrome shop. Let's see what else I can tell you. Of course, this is the stage when you reach around and you're looking for hardware. And interestingly, there were 3 holes here. 2 of them were filled, and one of them was not. And I'm suspecting that there was an extra. This is not your new socket. We have your new pole and socket, because this was not a lighted flagpole. So I'm wondering if perhaps you may remember if this socket when it came in, that's where that socket was. But I'm wondering if that socket had been placed here at one time, perhaps by your dad. It might be something you remember. So we've either got to fill this hole and fix the varnish, because we're looking for a piece of hardware to go here, and then there's no hardware. And then we grabbed the pictures, and there was no hardware right here when it came in. But this is a likely culprit. It looks like the spacing is the same. So just wanted to get your input on that, whether we need to go ahead and fill that hole and put some varnish over it, and then do a final coat back here on the back. Let's see, I think that's the long and the short of it for today. Blower. We did not find evidence of a bilge blower. Hang on a minute, maybe we did find evidence of a bilge blower. We have a mess of wire back here. So I will look and see if there was a bilge blower. If there was not one, we need to put one in. And so kind of interested in what your recollection of that is. And I will also continue to look for a bilge blower. It could be that your bilge blower was bad, but I will continue to look for that and would like your input on that if you remember having a bilge blower or not.